Hello guys, if your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter is not connecting to your router and in the network and internet settings it shows you are not connected to any networks, it means your system is not detecting or connecting to any available network. This issue can happen for several reasons, such as a disabled network adapter, a faulty or missing driver, or sometimes a problem with the router itself. However, if your router is working fine and other devices are connected to it without any issues, then the problem is most likely with your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter on your computer. In this video, we'll go through a few simple troubleshooting steps to identify the problem and fix it. So let's get started. On your keyboard, press Windows plus R together to open the Run window. In the Run dialog box, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This will open the Network Connections window. Here, you'll see all the network interfaces on your system, including Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapters. First, check if your network adapter is disabled. If it is, simply right-click on it and select Enable. Once the adapter is enabled, your system should be able to connect to the network again. However, if the adapter is already enabled and you still can't connect to your router, then the next method is to reinstall the network driver. To do that, right-click on the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, look for Network Adapters and expand it. Here you'll see your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter, depending on which one you are using. Right-click on the adapter and first select Disable Device. After a few seconds, right-click on it again and choose Enable Device. Sometimes simply disabling and enabling the adapter can fix the issue, so check if your network starts working. If it still doesn't work, right-click on the adapter again and this time select Uninstall Device. A warning message will appear. Just click Uninstall to remove the driver. Once the driver is uninstalled, go to the Action menu at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically detect the adapter and reinstall the driver for it. After the driver is reinstalled, check if the issue is resolved. If the problem's still not solved, then the next step is to reset the network using the command prompt. To do that, go to Windows Search, type CMD, and open Command Prompt as administrator. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig /flush DNS and press Enter. This will clear the DNS resolver cache. Next, type ipconfig /release and press Enter. This will release your current IP address. After that, type ipconfig /renew and press Enter. This will request a new IP address from the router. Then type ipconfig /register DNS and press Enter. This command will refresh and register the DNS resource records for all network adapters on your computer. Once you've run all these commands, close the command prompt and restart your system. After the restart, check if the issue has been resolved. If the problem still isn't fixed, the final step is to reset your network settings. To do this, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then click on Advanced Network Settings and click on Network Reset. After that, click the Reset Now button. A confirmation message will appear. Click Yes to confirm. Your system will reset all network settings and restart. After the restart, try connecting to your network again and see if the issue is resolved. And that's it. I hope one of these methods fixes the problem for you. If it did, then like the video and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.